Students, Madam here. Hope all of you are well. Due to coronavirus pandemic, we cannot go to school, so we have started our online classes. Today is my first class, and today I am going to discuss about the classification of resources. In section A, already I have done this portion, but for section B students, today I am repeating again. Already in the class I have mentioned that broadly resources can be divided into four parts based on origin, based on structure, third one is based on durability, fourth one is based on ownership. Now based on origin means from where something begins or arises. Again, based on origin, natural resources can be divided into three parts: natural resource, man-made resource, and human resource. Natural resources are those things which are available in the nature and useful for us, like for example, air, water, sunshine, then minerals, etc. So now again, among these natural resources, some natural resources, what happen? They gives us energy, like coal, mineral oil, and natural gas. They give us energy for running industry and all. So these three natural resources are called energy resources. You keep in your mind, because often in HSLC exam this question comes. Now you come to the point, man-made resource. Man-made resources are those resources which are made by man. Man collect natural resource from the nature, and by using different types of technologies produce different types of things as per requirement. Now you see, like cotton is a natural thing. Cotton is a natural thing. From cotton people make cloth. So cloth is a man-made thing. Like that, bamboo is a natural thing, resource, and from bamboo people make paper. So paper is man-made resource. Now for making different types of products, people use different types of technologies. So without human being, so these natural resources are collected by man from the nature, and by using different types of technologies they make different types of things. So without human being, natural resources are useless. To make them useful, what happen? Human being, they have to use different types of technologies, and they should have four attributes. They should have adequate skill, they should have education, they should have technology, and desire to do. As human beings produce different types of things by using their four attributes, so human beings are known as human resource. But all human beings are not counted as resource. Those human beings are counted as resource who are capable of doing something useful. Old people and small children, those who cannot do anything useful, so they are not counted as human resource. So human resources are those human beings who are capable of doing some useful thing for us. Now come to the point, based on structure. Based on structure, natural resources can be divided into two parts: biotic resource and abiotic resource. So biotic resource and abiotic resource, in about lower class only you have got. Biotic means living things, abiotic means non-living things. Like biotic means plants, animals, etc. And abiotic things, all table, chair, book, books, etc. Now based on durability. Based on durability. Durability means how long it will last. How long the thing will last. Now again, based on durability, natural resources can be divided into two parts: renewable resource and non-renewable resource. Renewable resource means the things which can be used again and again and can be kept unexhausted. As for example, air, water, sunshine, etc. So these things you can use as much as possible because they are available in the nature. After use also, they remain unexhausted in the nature. But the things which cannot be used again and again, after using once they exhaust, those things are called non-renewable resource, like petrol, natural gas, coal, etc. These things, if we use once, they exhaust. Now, you come to the point based on ownership. Based on ownership, natural resources can be divided into three parts: individual resource, national resource, international resource. Individual resource means resource which belong to a particular person. For example, education, then personal character, a tree which grow in a particular people's house, those are all individual resource. And second one is national resource. National resources are those things which are under the possession of a country, like national park, river, etc. So these things are looked after by the by a country. And now come to the point international resource. International resource means the things which are under the possession of the whole world. Now, as individual resources are looked after by a particular person or a family, national resources looked after by a country, international resource is managed and utilized by the organization UNO. It is looked after by UNO. You keep in your mind this one. Now, based on natural resources are distributed throughout the whole world. So, based on distribution, natural resources can be divided into two parts: ubiquitous resource and localized resource. Ubiquitous resources are those resources which are found everywhere in the world. For example, air, water, etc., sunshine, etc. They are found everywhere in the world. So these natural resources are called ubiquitous resource. But some resources are there which are found in some selected areas of the world, like coal, like petroleum. So these things are found in particular places of the world. So these places are called localized resource. So for today this much. That is all for today. We will get together in our next class. Bye bye.